आजपासून आपण पेपर 2 डिजिटल सर्किट डिझाईनला सुरुवात करणार आहोत. सो लेट अस स्टार्ट विथ द चॅप्टर 1, दॅट इज लॉजिक फॅमिलीज. वी आर स्टार्टिंग दिस चॅप्टर by revising the logic gates. Okay, in last year you already learned about the logic gates. So before starting the logic families, we have to revise the logic gates. So basically logic gates can be divided into 3 categories. First category is known as basic gates. Second category is known as derived gates. And the third category is nothing but the universal gate. Okay? So basic gates म्हणजे काय? तर ह्या ठिकाणी बेसिक गेटचे 3 टाइप्स आहेत. देर आर 3 टाइप्स ऑफ बेसिक गेट. फर्स्ट गेट इज नोन ॲज अँड गेट. सेकंड इज नोन ॲज NOT gate, and third one is known as OR gate. So you already know this. Derived gates means what? The gates which can be derived by using these basic gates are known as derived gates. So how many gates are there? There are 2 gates. So which are they? First one is known as XOR gate and next one is known as XNOR gate. Okay. Now I'm going to move towards the universal gates. Basically universal gates are derived gates. They are derived by using the basic gates. ओके, त्यालाच युनिव्हर्सल गेट्स म्हणायचं. मग त्याला थर्ड कॅटेगरीमध्ये का टाकलं आहे? कारण हा जो गेट आहे युनिव्हर्सल गेट, हा गेट वापरून तुम्हाला बेसिक गेट्स किंवा कुठलाही गेट काय करता येतो? डिराईव्ह करता येतो. म्हणून त्याला म्हणतात युनिव्हर्सल. युनिव्हर्सली इट कॅन बी यूज टू डिराईव्ड एनी काइंड ऑफ गेट्स. दॅट्स व्हॉट इज नोन ॲज युनिव्हर्सल गेट्स. सो देअर आर 2 टाइप्स ऑफ युनिव्हर्सल गेट. फर्स्ट वन इज नोन ॲज NOR gate and second one is known as NAND gate. So these are the logic families. Okay, now let us move towards the actual types. Okay, so I'm going to start the basic gates. So before starting the basic gate, we must know what is mean by logic. So logic means application of 0 and 1. So there the logic there are 2 types of logic. One is positive logic and second one is negative logic. So what do you mean by positive logic? In positive logic, plus 5 volt is known as logic 1 and 0 volt is nothing but logic 0. Similarly, negative logic means plus 5 volt is exactly reverse to this positive logic. याचे एक्झॅक्टली उलटं. 5 volt म्हणजे काय? लॉजिक 0 आणि 0 volt म्हणजे काय? लॉजिक 1. म्हणून त्याला म्हणतात निगेटिव्ह लॉजिक. आता लॉजिक गेट्स ह्या पूर्णपणे ह्या 2 लॉजिकवर काय होतात? ऑपरेट होतात. हे 1 0 आपण ह्या लॉजिकनुसार घेतो म्हणून याला काय म्हणतो आपण? लॉजिक गेट्स. गेट्स म्हणजे काय? विच अलाउज सर्टन थिंग्स. म्हणजे काहीतरी तो काय करतो? आउटपुटला अलाव करतो. त्याला काय म्हणतो आपण? गेट म्हणत असतो. ओके, मग आपण आता गेट समजून घेण्यासाठी पॉझिटिव्ह लॉजिकचा वापर करणार आहोत. ओके, सो लेट अस स्टार्ट विथ द फर्स्ट category and that is nothing but basic gates. Okay, मग बेसिक गेट्स पासून सुरुवात करायची. व्हॉट यू मीन बाय बेसिक गेट्स? ओके, सो as I told you, there are 3 types of basic gate. First one is AND gate, second one is OR gate, third one is NOT gate. So let us start with the first, that is what? AND gate. Okay, so what is the Boolean equation of AND gate? Okay, so the Boolean equation is like this: y is equal to a dot b. Okay, that means what? The gate which performs logical multiplication, that is known as AND gate. Okay, now I am moving towards the symbol. Okay, now I am drawing the symbol here. Okay, the symbol is like this. Okay, I am considering 2 input AND gate. So this is the symbol of AND gate where it has 2 inputs A and B, and one output, that is y is equal to A dot B. This is the symbol of AND gate. Now let us move towards the truth table. Okay, what is mean by truth table? So I am drawing here the truth table. What do you mean by truth table? Truth table means the relation between input and output. That is what truth table. Okay, so in truth table basically there are two columns. First column is known as input and second column is nothing but the output. This is the construction of truth table. Okay, now see here, how many inputs are there in the given symbol? There are two inputs, A and B, and you know the formula for 2 input, 2 raised to 2 is equal to what? 4. For 2 input there are 4 combination of output. So 2 input provides you the 4 combination. How? See here, 0 0 0 1 1 0 and 1 1. So let us see the output for these combinations. Okay, see here, suppose initially input A and input B both are 0 0, then what is the multiplication of, or what is the output of AND gate? That is y is equal to A dot B. That means it performs logical multiplication. 0 multiplied by 0, what is the output? 0. So for 0 0 input, output is what? 0. If the input are 0 1, what is the output? 0 dot 1. That means again you have the output 0. For this combination it remains same, 1 dot 0 is equal to output is 0. Now see, if both the inputs are 1 1, then what happened? 1 multiplied by 1, output is 1. So this is nothing but AND gate which performs logical multiplication. Now I am moving towards the second gate. And what is the second logic gate? And that is what? OR gate. Second basic gate is OR gate. So I am going to explain you the OR gate. So let us start. The second gate is nothing but OR gate. Okay, now I am drawing here the Boolean expression y is equal to A plus B. Okay, so this is the Boolean expression. So I am going to explain you the definition. A gate which performs logical addition, that is known as OR gate. Okay, so it performs logical addition. Now I am moving towards the symbol. So this is the symbol of OR gate. So it can be like this. You have to draw this curve. You just join this curve. It has one input and two input. Sorry, one output and two input. So here you have A, B, and this is output y is equal to A plus B. Okay, so it performs logical addition. Now we have to study the OR gate by using the truth table. So next topic is truth table. Again, what do you mean by truth table? Okay, truth table means it is a relation between input and output. Again, you just tell me this. Here I am drawing input and here output. If there are two inputs, how many combinations you have there? 4. Why? Because 2 raised to 2 is equal to what? 4. I just told you this. So for 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1, these are the combinations. 0 0 0 1 1 0 and 1 1. Now see here. Okay, for 0 0 input, for 0 0 input, what is the output? So I am drawing here. Input is 0 0, so it performs logical addition, A plus B. So what is the output? 0 0 साठी output काय येणार? 0. For 0 1, what is the output? 0 plus 1, output is 1. For 1 0, output is 1, because 1 plus 0 again 1. And what is the output condition for 1 1? Again it is 1. So this is nothing but a OR gate. Okay, now let us move towards the next gate, and that is nothing but the third category of basic gate. Okay, and that is known as NOT gate. Okay, so I am starting with the Boolean expression y is equal to a bar. Means what? It performs negation, it inverts the input. Okay, how? Let us see. So here I am drawing the symbol for OR gate. The symbol is like this. You have to draw a horizontal triangle. Okay, you just add a bubble here, one input and one output OR gate. Okay, so see here, what is this? Input A, and what do you have there? It negates the input. That means y is equal to a bar. What do you mean by inversion or negate? So inversion means it inverts the input. Means if you have 0 here, it provides you 1. If you have 1 here, it provides you 0. So what is the truth table? So I am drawing here the truth table for NOT gate. Again, what is the truth table? It is nothing but the relation between input and output. So see here, I am drawing the truth table as how many combinations of input you have there? Kiti input hai? So here you have only one input. So 2 raised to 1 is equal to 2. Okay, so hence you have the two inputs A and Y. For 0, output is 1. For 1, output is 0. So this is what truth table for NOT gate. Now let us move towards the next topic, and that is what I am going to take a next topic, and that is universal gate. So what do you mean by universal gate? See here, universal gate. This is the second. This is the third category, but I am going to explain this category here in a second time. Okay, universal gate means a gate which can be used universally for the implementation purpose. Okay, now see how to implement these gates.